Hey everyone, thanks for joining us. Today we're talking with Tayler Currie from Accelify. Accelify is a boutique Salesforce implementation partner based in Australia. They're a focused, hands-on team with deep Salesforce experience and a strong focus on field service. Taylor also brings hands-on Youreka experience. He's seen how Youreka helps teams capture better field data, guide users through complex jobs, and keep everything connected in Salesforce. That's why this partnership makes so much sense. Taylor, thanks for being here.
Not a
Just
problem.
great. To start, what do you think makes the Accelify and Eureka partnership so great?
Well, I've been working alongside Youreka through a few different implementation partners over the last 4 years, and I think it's the going out of the way in terms of collaboration, and they're always, Eureka's perspective, we're always there to lend a helping hand. I've had a very close relationship with the engineering enablement team, the customer success team, and the accounts team, and alongside that, having a fantastic product, I think it makes, my goal in terms of getting Youreka implemented for customers much easier, having a team that's accessible, available, and realistically just wants success for the implementation partners and customers alike. So I think that's what makes the partnership so great. And yeah, I think with my experience as well, I can also lend a helping hand to those kind of more detailed customer scenarios in Australia and help Eureka as well.
Yeah, awesome. So you said that you built with Eureka before, so I'm curious, what do you think makes it such a strong fit for Salesforce field service customers?
In terms of Australia in general, Australia's mobile reception is terrible, and Eureka has that online offline functionality, which is always one part that I like to highlight for all customers in Australia because anyone that does field service in regional areas in Australia will understand. But I think it's the simplicity of the tool in terms of implementation and what you can then produce and capture in field service. That is, from an implementation perspective, simple, but you can still get these complex workflows as it's so ingrained and built into Salesforce. And realistically, the mobile application from a field inspector and service perspective just makes it really easy for people to pick up their mobile device, whether it be their phone or their iPad or anything of the like, and essentially just get to work on what they do. I really love the user interface and user experience of Eureka and the seamless sync back into Salesforce, and then we can continue on with that Salesforce journey after all that field inspection. So it's a really, really strong fit. It's at a really good price point, and I think it really suits the Australian market that has such a big focus on construction and infrastructure in this field service journey. So it's definitely my big recommendation when it comes to that mobile and field capture from a field service perspective.
Yeah, thanks so much. Final question for you. What should customers feel confident about when they work with Accelify and Eureka?
I think uniquely in Australia, I've had such a long working relationship already with Youreka. Obviously, Youreka is a US-based company, but I think from an Australian perspective, if I'm working across Australia and New Zealand with Youreka, I bring 4, 5 years of experience implementing this in larger scale infrastructure and field service implementations. And I think as well, as I kind of mentioned earlier on, the Eureka team will always be there to help lend a helping hand and collaborate. So I think anytime that a customer feels potentially stuck or potentially doesn't know where they can get the most out of the tool, there's always going to be someone on hand, whether it be from Salify or whether it be from Eureka, to lend that guidance and that advice and essentially just be a partner and a trusted kind of partner in that journey in terms of getting Eureka implemented, getting the most out of it with Salesforce, and then ultimately kind of enhancing it over time. And I think as well, Eureka has a very good roadmap and really kind of puts a lot of effort and care into their tool in terms of where they're looking to improve. So you're not only getting a tool that you should feel confident today, but it's always going to essentially be improved over time as well. So it definitely, yeah, springs confidence for myself in terms of implementing, and hence why I really kind of want to, yeah, partner to align with Eureka because I do believe in the tool and the company.
Thanks so much, Taylor. That was so nice of you. So many kind words. We're definitely excited to partner with Accelify and to help more Salesforce teams across Australia simplify work, capture better data, and keep everything connected.
Amazing. Thank you.
Thank you.